Can I be honest with you? I've been procrastinating real freaking bad. I thought, yeah, I can do doll hair. Psh, easy peasy. It turns out, you go, she does not know how to do doll hair. So I took an extended break from touching my doll's hair, and now I am back to force myself into styling it. Sorry, Jade, that was nasty. But yes, so let's do this. Absolutely tragic, sad moment when somebody in one of the Bratz groups says that they're selling Nighty Nite Sasha for £15, but you are extremely skint and you've overspent on your budget this month for dolls, and you can't get her, and you just pray and hope that when you next have money and you paid all your bills, you can get her again, because she was there. I saw her with my own eyes and she was in the UK, and now I can't get her. Ugh, Christ. Yasmin, I stuck these pins in Yasmin's hair to... Don't do this at home. Christ. Okay. Let's start some doll hairs. Let's do it. Let's bloody do it. I didn't film most of me doing this because that was painful. Oh my god, it's so messy. Look, this is the first time I've ever tried to curl doll hair, and I accidentally chopped a bit of her hair off when I was cutting this drawer. So this might not go the way I want it to. You bloody thing! Delicious. Fiona, her hair I really like just like this. I don't know if I should put a little bow in it or something. Actually, yeah. Yeah, good thinking. I might just leave Yasmin's like this for the time being. I like her choppy layers, but I've given her some kind of like side parting thing, which is rock solid from the hairspray. Now on to Chloe. I think with Chloe, I don't want her curls to be very tight, so I'm gonna just use foam rollers and split them into bigger sections so she has more of a wave than like a proper curl compared to what Jade has. So I'm gonna do quite big sections. here they are for the time being. I'm gonna leave them to dry. Well, you know, these two. I'm gonna leave them to dry for a couple of days and then come back to them and style them. So the next time you'll see me, they'll be looking, hopefully, better. Okay, I'll see you in the future. Woo! What does that mean? Guest appearance from Sony. You sit there. Right. Huh? So, Yasmin's, I'm not really sure. Do we want to add anything else? Sony's not sure. Fiona, I've got some scrap fabric and some of these really tiny little bows. So I've got these tiny little blue bows. Sony would really suit a bow. Yes, you would. You would. You would suit a bow. Or this pinky kind of colour. And I was just going to pop it in the middle on a scrap piece of fabric. I'm going to get this really rough piece of scrapbrick? What the hell's scrapbrick? Just like this. I decided on the blue in the end because it really matches Fiona's skin tone a lot more than the pink. Oh, so sweet. Oh yeah, my shelves are really bare because Phoebe and Roxy are in jail at the moment. Yeah, they're in hair jail. They're over here because their hair needed flattening and they needed dusting, so sorry girls, I love you. Ta-da! Please excuse my French, as they say, but I'm absolutely obsessed. Look, I'm so glad I decided to add a little bow. Oh, she is so sweet. Oh, my sweet angel, look at you. I love her. Who's next? Yasmin. Now, did we decide if we wanted to do anything to Yasmin? Maybe I could add some pink bows to her. Let's have a look. To each part of her hair. Yeah, that is so sweet. That's so Lana Del Rey. Let's put those two in. So, 2 girls done. Now's the moment of truth to take down Chloe's hair. Oh, 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 mama. I think her hair is actually rose gold. You can't really see it on the camera, but in real life it looks kind of rose goldy. So this is one of my Denman brushes, and this is what I would use on my own hair to smooth my curls into the kind of style I want. Chloe's is not gonna do much. See, they're already starting to drop. Oh dang. Oh dang it. Whoopsie. Poor Chloe. She's got far too much hairspray in her hair. Okay, Miss Chloe's hair is a little bit of a dud, but I kind of like what's going on with it. She's got this, I don't even know how to describe it, like sleepy. Oh, yeah, I just woke up and I look perfect. What about it? I might actually keep it like this. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of cute. She's got the sleepy bedhead look and I really like it. It's not what I wanted, but you know, I'm a bit of a novice when it comes to doll hair. That's good enough for me. She looks cute. That's all that matters. Now, let's do Jade. Okay, I'm absolutely terrified. Take these out. It's so messy. I've never curled with straws before. Wish me luck. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. You're so squeaky for your age. What's wrong with you? Oh my god. Oh, I have to keep that front roll in. Oh, she's gorgeous. And I haven't even finished her. gorgeous. She's my little movie star. There is so much hairspray on this doll now, but I need this to stay in place. I might actually hair dry it, so. Is it overkill to give her a beauty mark? She needs one under her eye. I'm gonna use eyeshadow just to give her a really, really tiny beauty mark. This is like my dream doll. Oh my god. I freaking love her so much! Oh. So, I finished. Oh! Let me get changed into something a little bit more appropriate. And then we can have a final look at these beautiful bloody girls. This is the most nightiest night outfit I'm allowed to show on the internet. So I've got my Bratz sleep mask. I'm so sleepy. They turned out a lot better than I originally thought they would. I was kind of worried that they were all going to be a bit hodgepodge, but I'm actually really happy with how they turned out. I love the bows especially. I am over the moon. I love them. Just need that Sasha now and I'm a happy bunny. So originally I was a little bit worried about doing this video, and I had to take like a little break because I got a bit overwhelmed with the filming process, but I really enjoyed this. And if you guys want to see more styling and me attempting to do doll hair and whatnot, please let me know. I would like to sometime in the near future create my own little mini-me. I have a movie star Megan. I'm thinking I might see if I can turn this Megan into me. I'm not ready to do like a proper face up, so it would literally be like adding some eyeliner and whatnot and hopefully making some little doll clothes. That's the end of that journey. Thank you so much if you actually watched both full parts of this. I appreciate you and I'm really enjoying making this doll content. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.